Hey everybody, I hope you guys are having a fabulous start off to your week and happy Monday. I know not everybody likes Mondays though. But anyways, if you're new here, my name is Alexandra and today we're going to be unboxing what is definitely very quickly became one of my favorite subscription boxes so far. And I feel like the best bang for your buck, and that is the Allure Beauty Box. Now, if you guys don't know, this box is only $15 a month. When you very first sign up for it, it's only $10 a month. Now, I just started getting these boxes in November. I opened them for the first time last month. We did my November and December box, and it was amazing. I was so surprised. So we're going to unbox this, and this is the way it is shipped to you, just like this in this nice little fancy box here. It does come with like a little cellophane wrap and then your shipping label on top, and that's it. And then they also sent me this little envelope. So we're going to see what the deal is with this too. So let's go ahead and open her on up. And I love these little boxes. Like, I found so many storage options for those things. I'm just letting you guys know. I love them. They're very, very cute and very nicely made. All right, so this is what the little pamphlet looks like. It's got like a list of all the products and what they retail for if they are full size and that kind of thing. And then it's got like a little paper inside. So we'll see what we got. All right, so the first thing is just kind of sticking out here, so we'll grab this. This is the, it says Akar Skin Pure Lip Restoration here. So I don't know if this is a full size. It doesn't look like it. Okay, so I have no idea if this is actually a full-size product or not, because it looks, and I'll just show you guys what, the picture here. It does say that the price of this is $30, so I don't think that this is full-size, but if it is, that's some expensive lip restorative treatment right there. So I'm just guessing that it's not, but I could be wrong. So we have that right there. The next thing is the Vitabrid C Dual Drop Serum. This is age defying and deep hydration. And now I know obviously this is definitely not a full size. We'll see what this has to say. Okay, so it says that this has got vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, which you guys know that I love. However, what I do not love is the fact that it comes in a clear container. So here's the thing, whenever vitamin C hits the light and air, it loses its potency. So when it comes in a clear container like that, it doesn't do a very good job of obviously protecting it from the light. Obviously, it's going to protect it from the air. So that is what that product looks like. And then a full size of it does retail for $62. And as you guys saw, that was a pretty good amount. I mean, you get 10 milliliters or 0.34 fluid ounces. So that's not a bad amount for, like I said, a sample size. I mean, it's definitely enough to test it out. I mean, that would probably last me a few months at least. All right, so the next thing we have here is the Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream, and this is by Philosophy, Living with Optimism and Renew with Hope. So that is what the outside packaging looks like right there. So this is definitely not a full size. A full size does retail for $39. So this is probably about the smallest sample size, and I'm just looking to see it. So it's filled up to about right there. So let's see what we got going on here. Okay, so there's no seal on it. Ooh, it does actually feel very, very nice. Now, I'm not myself a big fan of these like water type creams. They're really, really good for people that have a really oily skin. But where I have very, very dry skin, water creams just aren't enough for me. Like, I need something thick, I need something heavy, I need something that is gonna coat my epidural layer. You know what I'm saying? All right, so the next product we have in here is by Nature's Lab in Tokyo, and it is the Perfect Shine Oil Mist Color and Heat Protectant, and then it says that this is paraben free, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so it does say that a full size of this retails for $16. Now it does say in here on this like little thing right here that you don't really want to spray this on the roots of your hair because it might make it a little greasy. It does say that she just sprayed it like on her hands and worked it like on her ends, made her hair very, very shiny. This also has grape stem cells and hyaluronic acid in it, and it says really lightly mist. Okay, so just to let you guys know, if you did receive this product in your box, lightly mist, on your hands, work it in. All right. All right. Next product here we have is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. Okay, that was a little kind of hard to say for some odd reason. Okay, so let's see what this is. Kate Somerville, I've been seeing a lot of her products come out lately. Like, I mean, it just seems like to be a very, very trending thing for sure. So this is the, as I said, Kate Somerville Exfoliate. It does retail for $75, a full size of it for 1.7 ounces. And this right here is 0.25 fluid ounces, which is a good amount. And this little tubey thing here is pretty full from what I'm seeing. I have really, really been interested, and this one does come with a little seal on it. I have really, really, really been interested in some of Kate Somerville's products. So it's like this little green, like exfoliation kind of thing. It's got like some little gritty bits in it right there, you guys can see. So it's definitely like an exfoliation, and it kind of smells, I mean, I can't for the life of me like pinpoint that smell, but it's like something I've smelled before, like almost like a cinnamony, but not in a good way. Like, I don't know. It's a weird, very, very, very weird smell, you guys. All right. And last but not least, we have a full-size Light Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara by Tarts, and this is in the color black. Now, this product does retail, I want to say $23. What do they have in here? So yeah, it does. It retails for $23. So this is a really popular mascara by Tarts. And again, this is $23, plus you got to try out and test out all of these other products, and you only paid $15 for this box. So definitely well worth it. To me it is. Now, I will probably not use this mascara. I know this is a tried and true favorite for a lot of people, but I just recently found like a really amazing mascara, you guys. And I just had to be honest with you. My eyelashes are kind of picky with mascaras anyways, because they just like grow out like all twisty-fied and everything. So I recently purchased the Fenty Beauty new mascara, and I'm not gonna lie, you guys, it was pretty awesome. Like, look, so I was not truthfully thinking that this, I thought this wand was like a joke. I'm not even joking. I thought for sure that I would try this out and I would take it back, just like, you know, a lot of products, because I'm a little picky when it comes to stuff. But this was amazing, and I honestly have to say that the little wand thingy where it's got like a flat side on one side and then like the curly side on the other, it really kind of helps you like get up in there, just exactly what it says, like helps you find every lash that you never knew you had. And that's exactly what it did. And it does not clump my lashes, which is insane. And it doesn't flake off throughout the day. Like, I had this on the first time I wore it for 14 hours, and it did not flake off and get in my eyes, which is a problem that I have with a lot of mascaras. So I have to say, if you haven't tried the Fenty Beauty yet, it's pretty awesome. Just wanted to throw that out there. All right, so let's see what we got in this little bag here. So there's some little bags here. It says Beauty Loot. Let's see what is in the first one here. Oh, okay, here we go. So, oh, I know what this is. Okay, I know what it is. So I guess some of you guys use my little link thing because I do pay for my box. But if you use my little link, they don't like give you money off your box or anything. I think they send you like some free thank you gifts or something. And I think that's what these are, which, you know, I don't know how many people signed up, but apparently I received 2 little thank you gifts. So this is the Benefit Cabral Cream Gel Brow stuff right here, and this is in the color number 3. And then I also got the Benefit They're Real mascara, and I mean, that's pretty good. I think, I mean, this right here is like a full-size mini, and I don't think this is a full-size mini. I think this is just a little shy of the full-size mini, because both of these come in full sizes and then they have minis. So yeah, this isn't the full size, but I mean, it's a nice size. I mean, you guys saw that. I mean, that's a pretty nice size. So I wonder if the same thing is in the other one. Let's take a look. So if you guys didn't know, I am starting something new. So products that I don't use, I'm either going to be putting them in giveaways. Some of them I'll be putting in giveaways. Some of them I am putting in a women's shelter, domestic violence shelter box. And then a lot of them I am actually selling. I've been going through and cleaning out all of my beauty stuff, things that have just been swatched once, used once, things that I get in boxes. Like I will probably put like this Tarte. I will more than likely put these in there. And by the way, I got the same thing in both bags, it looks like. So again, I'll probably put these in there, but I did start a Mercari app and I did list a bunch of things on there to sell. And number 3, I mean, that's just a little too light for me. So if you have a little bit lighter brows than I do and you're interested in something like this, I will link my Mercari app page store thing down below so you guys can check it out. I'm not like asking you guys to purchase anything or whatever. It's just, I'm just cleaning out my beauty stuff because I got way too much, you guys. I'm just being straight up. I did tell a lot of you guys on the live the other night, but I know obviously not everybody gets to watch the live, and then you know, that kind of thing. So I just thought I would let the rest of you know because I don't leave my lives up for any more than 24 hours. So I didn't want anybody else to be like, you didn't tell me. I'm telling you right now. Okay, so let's recap really fast and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So we got the full-size Tarte mascara, which more than pays for this entire box, even if you're paying $15 for it. We have the Kate Somerville, which is definitely interesting, but I don't know if I can handle this Exfoliate Kate thing. It's just, I don't know, that smell. Like, I mean, I've been really interested to try out her products, but just that particular smell, it's weird. It's like it's almost like what is that? It almost smells like a kitchen spice. Like that's what it is. It's almost like a kitchen spice. I can't quite put my finger on what. I don't know. I want to say sage, but it's not sage. It's one of your spice, like maybe all sage. I don't know. All right. And then we have the Vitabrid C12 Dual Serum. I am very interested about this. Not happy about it being in a clear jar. You guys need to work on your packaging. And then we have the Perfect Shine Oil Mist, the Akar Pure Skin Lip Restoration, which I've been getting a lot of these types of products in my boxes, which I'm not mad at, but I've been getting a lot of them. And then, I don't know where it disappeared to. And then last but not least, the Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream by Philosophy. So, and then I got a couple free gifts apparently. So all in all, definitely still think this box is awesome. This wasn't as like big of a bang box as last month's box or November's box. I don't know. I feel like this one is like comparable to November. I feel like December's Anastasia Beverly Hill curated box was amazing and awesome. And I wish every box could be that awesome and amazing, but that's the reality. Not everything can be awesome and amazing all the time, you guys. All right, so that is all I have for you guys today. Stay tuned because tomorrow I will have my Ipsy video up and we've got a lot of other stuff coming and things we need to talk about and that kind of thing. So that's all, guys. Love you. Bye.